Alright, so yesterday my lifter motor quit working, so I pulled it apart, came out of here. If you can't figure out how to do that, then you probably won't figure out how to do this anyway, so I'm not going to show you the easy part. This is the tricky part. So I pulled this apart. This is the lifter motor. It was a little tough to get apart, but it came. And so all the gears are metal except for the one on the motor. So I know it's hard to see. Put a headlamp on it. There are gears right here. They're kind of hard to see. They're covered in grease, and if you see right now, there's not much of them left. It's because there was more, but I could see basically a valley where it had been rubbing on these teeth and wore it down so much that eventually it just started slipping. So whenever I tried to use a Maxxfan, that lifter motor just ran and ran and ran and ran, didn't stop because these were slipping. So what I noticed was on this right side here, there was more good teeth. So I just pulled this out carefully. I did kind of mess it up a little bit with this flat head. You know, you just pry it off. And then I held it with these needle nose against the sander. You can see right here the plastic that came off. And I just did that, and it came off really quick. I actually kind of ground down more than I wanted to. I didn't expect it to go that fast. It's soft plastic. It's insane to me that they'd make this one gears out of plastic and all the rest out of metal, and then when that wears out, you spend $50 on a new one of these.